Hey guys, let's see how to add the Cinnado D1 camera to Alexa so you can view on our Echo Show, for example. So it's pretty easy. Here on my cell phone I have the Wansview app. So I just need to make sure that I have my Cinnado camera working. I'm just open the app here. I'm gonna log in using my Face ID. There we go. Now I have the camera here working. And that's the first step. Just make sure that the camera is working back there. So as long as it's working, I'm good to go. I'm just bring the volume down here because I have a microphone on this camera. And then the next step is just bring the Alexa app. Let me just bring it here. There we go. And you're gonna look for the skills, okay? For this Cinnado camera. So just come here, look for skills and games, and from here, you look for Wansview camera. Here's the secret. Instead of looking for the Cinnado camera, you just look for Wansview camera. That's the app that works with the Cinnado camera. There we go. So you have here Wansview. And you just need to enable to use. As long as you have an account for the Wansview app, you're gonna just link here. Just insert your email and your password. There we go. So here I have my email and password. I just hit sign in and the account's linked. Okay. Next step here is just let Alexa find the device in the network. So looking for the Cinnado camera that's available here. And it's going to add and make it work. So Wansview camera found and connected. I hit next. And I can just select the room that I want to have this added to, maybe the group, right? So I can put here in the office, add to the group. And you see here the Cinnado D1 2K added to the office. Continue, done, and I'm good to go, okay? So now I can just come here, for example, on this Echo Show and ask, Alexa, show the Cinnado camera.
Did you mean Cinnado D1 2K?
Yes.
Okay.
There we go. So it's working, basically.
There we go. So it's working, basically. There we go. So it's working, basically.
Just bring the volume down because I have the microphone here and I have an audio loop, okay? So it's working. You see there's just this problem with the name. I say Cinnado camera and Alexa asked me if I mean Cinnado. So I'm not sure about the pronunciation. You can leave your comments here if you know the correct pronunciation for this camera. But I say Cinnado camera and Alexa says Cinnado camera, something like this. You can just rename the camera as well to off-sea camera or something like this, and then it makes it easier for you to talk to Alexa, and then you see the image live, right? So hope that helps. That's the way you can add the Cinnado camera, D1 in this case, to Alexa. Leave your comments here, subscribe to this channel, and I see you in the next one.